Hi, today we're going to be taking unboxing review at Show and Jump Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading Card Game. Konami, 5 cards in every pack, 2-pack set. So Walmart, about $2, brings it down to $1 a pack. Not that bad for 5 cards for $2. Well, actually you're getting 10 cards because, it's 2 packs of 5s. So, yeah. That's what the bat says. Something about, Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. You can go to YuGiOhCard.com. Link down below. Script there. The best place to, get your cards to be priced. TCG and CCG. ToyWiz.com. Link down below in the description there. So, yeah. So let's go ahead, open this up. See what we got in here. Some kind of weird little survey thing. There's a QR code. You can also go to hittype.research.net/r/YGO_LED4. Yeah. Okay, I had no idea. Here's what the bag of cards look like for the card packaging. Again, YuGiOhCard.com. The entire set includes 29 common cards, 10 wares, 8 super rare cards, and 9 ultra rare cards. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and see what we pulled out here. So, construction, train, signal, lead, earth, 3-star, machine effect, 1000 attack, 1300 defense, Witchel Sanctuary spell card, Lunar Light, Kendo Chit, okay, 4-star dart, Beast Warrior effect, 1400 attack, and yeah, I don't think I got these cards in the camera. And 800 defense. What is this one? Snow Plow Rustle. Yeah. Earth, and it's 2, 4, 6, 7, 10. So 10-star. Machine effect, 2500 attack, 3000 defense. And then we get Lunar Light, Yellow Marten, Dart, 4-star, Beast Warrior effect, 800 attack, 2000 defense. Lunar Light. I'm not even sure what series Lunar Light is from, but it kind of looks pretty cool. That's up. That's Pat. So let's see what we get in here. Lunar Light Perfume. What does this card do? Target one Lunar Light monster in your GY graveyard. Special summon it. You can banish this card from your GY. The graveyard. Then discard one card. Add one Lunar Light monster from your deck to your hand. So, pretty cool effect. Another construction train, Signal Red. Mark of the Wells. This card was pretty awesome if you knew how to use it. I remember in the Yu-Gi-Oh! DS game, it was pretty darn effective. You know what I mean? It'd be like, I summon this super powerful tap point monster. And then you play this card, and you're like, oh yeah, guess what? I got your monster. I can attack with your monster, or I can just destroy your monster to summon my own monster. And you're like, what? No! And then you're like, oh, guess what? Monster Reborn, your monster spam my side. Guess what? You lose. Haha. Definitely. Great card. Great card. But you do have to have one plant type monster in your graveyard to banish in order to use that one. Machine Angel Ritual. Okay, so we have a spell card and it's a ritual card. So this card can be used to ritual summon any Cyber Angel ritual monster who must also tribute monsters from your hand or field whose total level equals or exceeds the level of the ritual monster your ritual summon. If a light monsters you control would be destroyed by battle or card effect while this card is in your GY, you can banish this card instead. Alright. And then we get Magnificent Machine Angel. Another spell card. This one's a quick play spell. Tribute one Cyber Angel ritual monster from your hand or field, then target one light fairy monster whose fairy monster you control. It gains attack defense equal to the level the monster had one tribute times 200 until the end of this turn. This turn, if it battles a opponent monster that was special summon from the extra deck, that opponent's monster effects are negated during the battle phase only. You can only activate one Magnificent Machine Angel per turn. Okay, this card is talking a lot of gibberish here. So, I guess not a bad pull was this one and this one. But yeah, not a bad price. 2 5-card packs for only $2 at Walmart. Not a bad deal. And you are getting a pretty good pull of cards here. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.